Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will be guiding you to create your own website through WordPress. WordPress is a content management system that allows you to host and build websites. It contains plugin architecture and a template system so you can customize any website to fit your business, blog, portfolio or your own online store. So with no further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have installed WordPress in your Android device. Then tap on WordPress. Now you can enter your existing site address if you have already created one in WordPress, but since here we are creating one, let's tap on the first option that says login or sign up with WordPress.com. Now write down your email address. After typing down your email address, tap on the blue button that says continue. Now you will have to go to your mailbox and check your mails, since WordPress would be sending you a mail in which you will receive a link which will help you to sign up to WordPress. Now tap on check mail. Here there is the mail of WordPress.com. Tap in there. Okay, read the mail and tap on the blue button where it says sign up to WordPress.com. Well, now your browser will automatically open. Tap on allow. Well, you will have to put a name for your account. You will have to choose a display name and a username and write down a password so that your account will be secure. Here I'm fine with the name, so I'll tap on the password and create one. Well, now I'll tap on done. Here you will be asked whether you want to create WordPress.com site or add a self-hosted site. You can also tap on not right now if you are not interested in any of them, but whatever you want to create or share, WordPress will help you. Now I'll tap on create WordPress.com site since I want to build a website using WordPress. Well, now I can get to choose any design that I would like to have in my website. Choose what you are looking for, whether you are searching for any business purpose or you are going to create a blog website. Choose any of your interests and pick a design for your homepage according to it. Well, now I'm going to introduce myself and write some blogs, so that I'll choose to keep one from blog. Now I can preview as well as I can instantly choose this one. So you do as your interest. I will once preview how it looks. This is how it is going to look. Okay, I'm content with it, so I'll tap on choose. Now you will have to pick a name for your site. Now choose a name relevant to what you are going to do with your site, whether it's for commercial purpose or any of your interests. Well, I have some few options. Okay, I will go with loginhelps.design.blog. Now tap on create site. So hooray, almost done. It says now my site has been successfully created and hopefully yours too. Now you can customize and design it according to your wish. Now tap on OK. Now check out your site. WordPress can also help you to manage your site with the app. For now, I'm going to choose no thanks in this question, but you can choose according to your convenience. Here you can see your account, you can see the stats, you can see what you have posted, you can choose any media, you can see the pages that you build in your website. Here you can plan. Now you can check your site, you can read others blogs and see others websites as well. You can follow some people so that you can filter out and view. You can check out your notification after evolving for some time in WordPress. You will certainly see some notifications. People might follow you and like or comment or share with your content. Well, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope that you have also created a WordPress website just like how I did right now. You can comment down any queries and any suggestions if you have. Do subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.